This is Joffrey with Good Lawn Care. Hey, Caleb's running the camera. We're going to church this morning, and look at this weather out inside. Caleb, show them.
It's snowing.
It's snowing like mad. It's April 14th. They said we're going to get like 1 to 2 inches with no accumulation on the roads and stuff, but so much for that. I was planning to start mowing tomorrow. Don't know about that either. It should melt really fast. Yeah, this is ridiculous.
It is.
Alright, it's heavy, wet snow. It's like pure slush. And it's just coming down like crazy. Get these guys on camera up here, Caleb. And then up here at the square, we got these guys doing, I think they're from Eureka College. They do like a all-night fundraiser thing where they teeter-totter for 24 hours. They're out here trying to collect some money. Standing here freezing. They're enjoying this, I bet. Probably not.
I can't see him because the snowdrift.
Some guys going across the street here. Oh, I hope that car sees him. Jeez. I think he stopped. Oh, he's not happy. Get that on camera?
Yep.
Alright, that guy's shivering. Looks like he's gonna have hypothermia. And there they are in the
So
square.
are all these other
They
guys.
put their tent down a little ways. Probably not real safe to be standing out here because it's very hard to see. So if I was them, I suggest they would wrap it up. But apparently they want to do their teeter-totter. Look, they're barely moving with it. They're like frozen to the teeter-totter.
I can't get it.
That's all right. All right, we're just going around the square, heading to church this morning, and weird weather, weird, crazy weather. All right, talk to you guys later. Have a good one.